Level 10, Proficiency. Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood was a sweet child, dearly loved by all, and most of all by her grandmother, who had made her a red cloak she always wore. One day, her mother asked her to carry a basket of bread and fruit to her sick grandmother in a cottage deep in the forest. "Go straight there," she said firmly. "Do not wander, and do not speak to strangers." As the girl walked through the woods, she met a cunning wolf. With gentle words, he asked where she was headed. Naively, she told him her destination. The wolf ran ahead, entered the house, swallowed the old woman, and disguised himself in her clothes. When Little Red Riding Hood arrived, she stepped inside and noticed how strange her grandmother looked. "Grandmother, what big eyes you have," she said. "All the better to see you with," replied the wolf. "Grandmother, what big ears you have. All the better to hear you with." "Grandmother, what big teeth you have. All the better to eat you with," growled the wolf, springing from the bed. At that instant, a woodcutter rushed in, struck down the wolf, and saved both grandmother and child. From that day forward, Little Red Riding Hood never forgot the lesson: do not stray from the path, and never place trust in a stranger's words.